Alright guys, now a lot of you have been missing out on the pumps, you've been missing out on some of our entries, for example Solana, which we were getting at $16, AVAX, which we were getting at $10, ICP, which we were getting at $3.50. Now, I say to you guys all the time, don't chase the pumps. So in today's video, we're going to jump into XDC. Now, before we do look at the chart, we're going to look into some of the reasons why I today have actually bought XDC and why you guys should maybe consider buying XDC too. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go drop me a like, go drop me a sub, and let me know if you are XDC Army or not. Let's get into it. Alright guys, point number one, XDC network facilitated the issuance of tokenized US Treasury bonds and private credit, surpassing a remarkable 1.3 billion in value. So guys, we are trying to have a portion of our portfolio for the RWA sector of crypto, and I've told you we need real world asset tokenization, and we've done a lot of focus on things like ICP, on things like VeChain, and now things like XDC, XRP, and how they are going to be changing the landscape of our future. May not see it now, but I guarantee when the internet first came out, people didn't think that the internet would have an effect on our real world life. And people are still in that phase for crypto, but not us, because we're early and we're believers and we know exactly what the technology is here to do. Alright guys, so it's one thing believing in these things, but are we actually taking action? So I'm going to play you a small clip. Sorry if the audio is a little bit messed up, but it's just a further go on from what we just said on the last tweet.
We also seen that if it shifts, it would be a market leader, right? Overnight. If you get Visa, MasterCard, a couple banks, and a couple blockchains in the same room, it's just like 2008 all over again, and you can reset the financial system overnight. Exactly. Right? So I agree with the catalyst. A catalyst is always necessary.
So they're talking about resetting the financial system, and it's already been reset a few times over, guys. Our financial system is ever evolving, and crypto is the next stage in our financial system. Yes, there is a catalyst that is needed to propel us, but guess what? There hasn't been a catalyst just yet to send things like XDC, XLM, XRP to be the industry leaders for our financial system, guys. So the fact that we know that it's coming and we're just waiting for that time bomb to explode, we are in an amazing position. We're in a once in a lifetime position, if you ask me. And again, I feel like I'm repeating myself, but one of the most transformative events of our lifetime, and 95% of the population has no idea that the entire trade finance ecosystem is about to be digitalized by XDC. Again, we are in the now, guys. When you see the chart, you will actually see how in the now we actually are. Sorry, my dog is going off at the back garden. Guys, the majority of the population don't even know what crypto is, let alone knowing that the financial system is going to be using crypto to become digitalized. Okay. And then finally, guys, something big is coming for XDC. XDC TVL has increased again, and it has continued to increase throughout the year. So if you see that TVL is increasing, what's going to come next? Alright guys, so today we're sitting at 4.5 cents, just under 5 cents. And you can see we've been trapped in this area for a while now. We've been trapped in here since early this year, okay, mid this year. Now guys, once we do reach the apex of this, and this does have a decision time, in my opinion, this will be like when the catalyst happens. Now guys, it looks like we're due to reach the apex of this pennant just before the Bitcoin halving. In that clip that we just watched, they were saying that we need a catalyst, and could the Bitcoin halving be that catalyst? Let me know what you think in the comments right now. Now guys, if we assume that for this year we've bottomed out around this area at 4.7 cents, then we could take it from the top of this triangle all the way here, and we're going to aim for the 1618, guys. And that means the breakout should be technically the high here, which we wicked off at just under 10 cents. And if you want to go and further validate that, then you can take it from the top of the triangle formation right to the bottom, take it to the point of breakout, which should be around here, and that's going to get you just around that 9 cents, guys. Now guys, I've done that very wishy-washy, okay? So obviously when you are trying to trade, you want to be making sure that you're getting it spot on. If you do want to get spot on trades, then go and check out the Patreon. I can't give you that all for free over here. But XDC is a new one that I haven't covered on this channel before, that I do think is primed to make some magnificent games. Even if we do break out from this triangle here, we're looking at 100% return to the 1618, just at that upper wick level there as well, guys. So you guys have to let me know if you guys want to get in on XDC or nah. Now, guys, we may hover around for a little bit. We may be stuck in that consolidation for a few more months. So you guys let me know if you're getting in now, if you're waiting. If you've already been in XDC, let me know how much you guys hold. But that's it for XDC for today, guys. Let me know what coin you want me to cover in the next video. Until next time, it's been your Lex Money Crypto. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace, gang.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.